we're going to stop at 30:30, and so I now give the floor to the Commissioner.
Thank you, President. Well, to answer to Mr. Kelly first, I would like to say that, in general, countries who have a better system for control and compliance and have all the instruments at their disposal, it's easier to absorb the money. This is a general rule. And generally speaking, I have to admit that Mediterranean countries, the countries of South, have bigger problems. And I have to say in a very concrete way to Mr. Tsoukalas that Greece has a special problem. So we have to be very sure that we can help everybody in order to have a better absorption. That's why we are going to, and this is our plan, we are going to have an effort to simplify the rules of the absorption, and that's why we'll have a funding line in the framework of our CFP reform, which will be very easier for the member states to absorb. Referring to Mr. Tsoukalas' question about the Mediterranean regulation, I would like to say that we have decided that this Mediterranean regulation has to be implemented. Since the 1st of June, we have to implement this regulation, and there is no way back. There is no way back, because if we want to amend this regulation, then we'll need 2 or 3 years without any control and compliance system. So we are going to implement this regulation, and I have already cooperated with the Greek authorities, and I have explained to them that they have to implement this regulation without any further delay. That means, of course, that all the provisions about special gears that are very, very, very heavy for the environment, all these provisions have to be met. And this also means that we are going to exhaust the margins from our fund possibilities to give them funding in order to compensate them. This is something I would like to say referring to boat chains, referring to trawlers, referring to every gear. They have to give us a good example of compliance, and we are going to do our best in order to exhaust our margins by the fundings to give them the possibility to have better gear, to improve the selectivity of their gears. Thank you, President.
Thank you very much indeed, Commissioner. Thank you all. That concludes question time, and those questions not answered will be answered in writing. Question time is closed. And the sitting is suspended until 9 o'clock.